How to connect Nintendo Switch Fortnite account to Xbox. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. First of all, launch any browser on your device. Click search bar and type in Epic Games. Use the search button. Now on this result section, you need to click on the first link of Epic Games. Then you will simply land on this Epic Games website where you need to make sure to sign in to Epic Games. For that, click three-line icon at top right corner and open the menu. Now choose Sign In button. If you haven't created account, click Create Account or simply click Sign In. Here are different ways to sign in to your Epic Games. Simply you need to scroll down and select Nintendo as the sign in option and enter your credentials of Nintendo account. Once logged in, you have to simply go to Account Settings by going to your profile and choosing Accounts. In Account Settings, you have to simply scroll down and choose Apps and Accounts and select the option. Scroll down until you see Xbox and you have to click on Connect. Once done, you have to click on Xbox and click Connect account. You'll be redirected to the Xbox website to log in with your Xbox credentials. After logging in, Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch will be linked to your Xbox account. So that is it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.